Hello, bearded adventurers. I am the apprentice of Fable Beard Company, and today we are going to be breaking down how beard oil works.
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Today we're going to be talking about how beard oil works. Now, hopefully you've been using beard oil for a while, but if you have not, do not worry. This is why we make these videos, to try to help you out and understand the process of beard oils and their products. Because sometimes there are people who don't think that any of it works, and although there are some things that might not work about it that you might think works, well, we're going to talk about some of that stuff today and how you're supposed to properly use beard oil. So let me get one real quick. All right, so we have here the birthday cake, celebrating 4th year anniversary here at Fable, which is a great accomplishment. But we're going to be talking about the process on how this works for you and how you're supposed to be working it. So when you are using beard oil, a proper way to be using it to start out, once you have gotten your dropper full, three to five proper drops, where you want to be putting it is not the beard hair itself, but the skin underneath your beard. Now, this is meant to hydrate your skin and also hydrate the hair follicles. Your face is going to naturally absorb these oils, and it'll keep it hydrated, and when it absorbs it, it will be going into the hair follicles to support and encourage hair growth. Now, just to state this and to make sure that we all understand, our products are not meant for growth, unless we're talking about our 3-in-1 beard growth elixir. That's a different video for a different time. But the beard oil itself, the butters, the balms, these are not meant to help with growth or to cause growth. They support and assist, keeping everything clean, so then your face can do what your face was meant to do, which is grow facial hair. Now, that's the thing. When it comes to oil and the other products that you use, when you put it in the proper areas, like on your skin, it'll naturally absorb it. It will keep it moisturized. It will keep it hydrated. Just like us, how we need to be drinking water. We should be drinking water throughout the day, all the time, so we can stay hydrated and we can stay healthy and functioning. It's the same way when it comes to our facial hair, but we need to be putting that hydration on the skin near the hair, not directly onto it. It's not going to have the same effect. Now, again, when you are starting to grow out facial hair, or you are, you still have long facial hair, something longer than mine, or even a little bit shorter, if you are not using beard oil, sometimes when it comes to a lot of us who are starting out to grow facial hair, or you've already grown out facial hair for a while, if you are not using beard oils, well, you might have to deal with itchiness. You might have to deal with dryness and even dandruff sometimes. So a great purpose for using beard oil has to do with getting rid of or reducing that dryness and itchiness. When you are hydrating your skin, you are not going to deal with that itchiness as much, or the dryness. It is important that you have a daily routine in the morning and at night to keep your skin underneath your beard hydrated. In addition, there are a couple of other nice things about using beard oils. Now, two of the things that come to mind right away for me is styling and the overall smell. That's the thing. Beard oil products, they're cosmetic. They're not going to be a supplement. They're not going to be something that will help your beard, be huge and bushy in just no time at all. It takes time for it to get, the proper length and thickness that you want. But remember, this as a cosmetic, you can use beard oils. You can use beard oils as a way to help stylize your beard. So if it's a little scraggly on the sides and you put in some beard oil in the morning, you'll comb it down. It makes it a lot easier. But in addition, as we love to pride ourselves here, it has some great scent profiles and it smells amazing. Just the other day, I was teaching a class and a bunch of my students were like, "What is that smell? It smells like maple and pancakes." They weren't very descriptive, they were just thinking, it smells like food. but they know that I use beard oils, and I hope that you can tell just from hearing from Maple Pancake that I was wearing the lumberjack that day, and I heard one student in the back saying, "Mr. Hutton is wearing beard oil today. It must be that." And I was like, "Yes, yes, it is." It was great. I loved that they were able to pick up on what I was smelling. Hopefully, I wasn't wearing too much. Don't want to overdo that. But a part of something that's nice about wearing beard oils is that there are scents that you can have, and that's always a great plus. So to summarize with all of this together, how beard oil works: 1, it is meant for hydrating your skin as a moisturizer, putting it on your skin and helping the hair follicles absorb all those oils and to encourage growth. Also, it is good for styling, and it is wonderful for smelling. I hope that this video was helpful to you guys. If there are any things that I missed out from my research, please comment down below your opinions, research that you have done. Always interested in reading a lot of these comments that come in, whether they're encouraging or if you have different insight, maybe I can throw in that stuff in a later video. I'm always interested in trying to find new perspectives, new research, all of that, so we can have a more objective and well understood community for us bearded adventurers. If this video was helpful to you, whether you are someone who knows beards very well or you're just starting out, please consider liking the video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, to Fable Beard Company, please consider subscribing and tolling the bell button so then you can get notifications whenever we do post new content. As always, whenever you go to make a purchase for Fable Beard Company, please put in the discount code The Apprentice to get 25% off your next purchase. As always, adventurers, thank you so much for all that you do for us. So may your beards be forever blessed and fortune forever upon your door. Good day.